My business name is UpTown Burger and Fish. My name is Muwaffaq Adan. I'm coming from Arkansas to pick up my food truck from Jerusalem Food Truck, and it's very nice. They did a good job, and thank you Jerusalem Food Truck. I find the website online and contact Ala, and it was great to meet him, and they going through everything with me, the small pieces and the generator, the kitchen, the water, and everything. They good. I recommend it for everybody to come and have a look over here. You will have what you need, and you'll find it. The price is good and the job is good.